Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti Rolla and today we are going to do a quick makeup look for Eid outfit, and I'm gonna tell you how quickly you can get ready in Eid. Like, you have 10 minutes and you have to do a quick makeup look. This is how it's going to be. Let's get started with the video. This palette for the eyes, I'm gonna use this lighter shade, and then I'm gonna use this lighter shade first all over my crease, and then I'm gonna top up with this gold color, and then I'll put a liner. Taking an orange color on the fat brush, fluffy brush, I'm going to apply all over the eyelid and try to blend and add more color to enhance the orange shade. Color on my golden shade on my finger and applying it all over the eyelid from the inner corner to outer corner, and try to press and rebuild. I'm going to take this flat brush and I'll take the same orange tone shade and apply over here. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna put the same shade over here. I'm taking a sketch liner and going to apply from the inner corner to outer corner and make a thick wing. And then I'm gonna take a kajal, NARS kajal, and apply inside the eye. Make that amazing, beautiful eye. The eyes are almost done, but now I want to put like around 3 coats of this mascara. This one is from L'Oreal. I recently got this one. So I'll be applying a mascara almost for like 3 times to get a little bit that heavy lashes look, because I'm not gonna put any false lashes. I'm going to curl my lashes now. I'm going to take this Beauty lip liner in shade Vanity. I took a lip liner and start making a line from the lower lip and try to fill in the gap over there, and then I'm taking or going for the upper lip and filling it in the upside, and I will repeat it twice and get a nice color from the lip line. Stay curious from MAC. And nowadays I'm into a gloss, so today I'm going Ultra Lip Gloss from Colourpop. So once this all done, I'm gonna use this primer from Makeup Forever Professional Mist and Fix O2. I kept it my hair's like little curly and like not full curl, half curl. And yeah, let's wear some jhumkas and have some accessories on. For the jhumka, I'm wearing this one. It's very pretty, it's very festive. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you really like it. I love doing this makeup look. Eid Mubarak ho and happy Ramadan. Love you all. Bye. It's my complete look. How do I look? Thank you guys for watching.